Here today in Hannibal, Missouri. We are in Huckleberry Park, I believe is what it's called, and this is where the local public skate park is, as you can see behind me here. This park was built in 2005, so this was an early era skate park for me. It's probably been since 2005 since I've been here. Let's see what kind of fun, random, cool, sweet clips we can get here today. Not sure I'm gonna get too wild. It's pretty windy and I'm by myself. So, well, you'll see what happens. Hope you guys are enjoying what I've shown you so far. It's definitely not my favorite skate park I've ever been to. I didn't remember how steep the transitions were here. So not my cup of tea, if you want to say that. There is some really fun jib stuff here that I am enjoying. It's not the easiest to get on camera when you're by yourself with just a tripod. So this video isn't gonna have a whole bunch of stuff, so apologize. Well, I'm probably halfway through the video, so I apologize. We'll get a couple more for you and then we'll probably end it off there. So here, well, keep watching. Thanks for watching. This has been the episode of the windy Hannibal skate park. I will come back here. It's not that bad, ladies and gentlemen. This is a fun skate park. A little less wind, be a whole lot better. But anyways, hope you enjoyed what I did get. Until next time, as always, ride bikes, have fun. Peace.